You guys might not want to hear that crying, but it's your boy, Noah's Cool. Today, what game? Oh yeah, Subway Surfer Part 3. I do it every year of Subway Surfers. What? One sec, guys. Back, guys. Let's see what this is. Nope. Let's go. I'm using this skin. Okay. Oh, PV9 is still here. No, this time I'm not joking. The real PV9. The one who I said in. Oh yeah, you guys weren't there. Probably during that video. Or like PV9 made my Roblox character. PV9 is so funny sometimes. Sometimes feel like he's Regina's brother. You'll probably figure that out on Tab Wallace Clay's channel. But you guys never will know what PV number I really am. Oh! Pour on the cat. Yeah. No. Nope. Definitely don't put that pillow on there. Take it. Back from the ad. And that's the end of Subway Surfer Part 3. And Subway Surfer Part 4 might come out soon. Okay. Bye. And bye. Bye.